Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of Divine Glories, Chapter 10, Shloka 22. Among the Vedas, I am Samaveda. I am Vasava among the gods. Among the senses, I am the mind. And I am the intelligence among living beings.
Chapter 10, Shloka 22. Vedanam samavedosmi devanam asmi vasavah indriyanam manaschasmi bhudanam asmi chetana.
Chapter 10, Shloka number 22. Of all the Vedas, I am the Samaveda. There are 4 Vedas. Rig Veda is the most important and Sam Veda is the essence. The summons of the Sam Veda are sung in complicated tunes, the melody and rhythm of which create the joy of music. Of the Devas, I am Vasavas. Vasava is Indra, the king of heaven, a realm which has the highest standard of living, where Indra, the most powerful and mighty, enjoys the most splendid and luxurious life, a life of subtler joy and greater satisfaction. Like Indra is among the gods, the self rules over the others, controlling and directing them and organizing their lives so that they may enjoy the highest standard of living. Of the sense organs, I am the mind. Mind is the king of the sense organs. The Devas, as sense organs, are the illuminators of the sense objects. Mind is the controller without which the sense organs cannot function in any field of intelligent activity. In all beings, I am the Chetana. Chetana is the intelligence expressed through a pure, subtle intellect. Man has the uniqueness of having an intellect among all the living beings. When that intellect is purified through Buddhi Yoga and becomes subtle, the expression of Chetana is bright and sharp. Learn more in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. See this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.